Today I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a Facebook group step by step. Whether you want to create a group for your friends, family, coworkers, or a community of people who share the same interests as you, Facebook makes it really easy to get started. Groups are a great way to build a community, share updates, and keep everyone engaged in one place. Let's dive in. First, open your Facebook app. If you're using a web browser, head over to facebook.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner for the three horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Tap on that, and it will take you to a variety of options like Marketplace, Events, and Groups. Now, scroll down a little until you see Groups. This is the hub for all your groups, both the ones you've joined and the ones you've created. Go ahead and click on Groups to proceed. Once you're on the Groups page, you'll notice a plus symbol, icon at the top right corner of the screen. That's where we start creating our group. Tap on that icon to get going. After clicking the plus icon, you'll be given two options. Select Create a Group to start building your group from scratch. Now, the fun part begins, naming your group. You'll be prompted to type in a group name. Choose something unique, engaging, and relevant to what your group is all about. For example, if you're creating a group for a local hiking community, you might name it Mountain Trail Explorers or Adventure Seekers. Think of a name that will attract your intended audience and reflect the purpose of the group. Once you've entered the group name, it's time to set your group's privacy settings. Right below where you type the group name, you'll see an option that says Choose Privacy. Facebook gives you two options for this, public or private. Public group. If you choose this option, anyone on Facebook can see your group, its members, and all the posts within the group. This is great if you're building a community that you want anyone to join without restrictions. Public groups are ideal for organizations, events, or communities that thrive on open access and visibility. Private group. This setting allows only the members you approve to see the group and its content. People can still find your group, but they won't be able to see the posts or interact with the group unless they've been invited or approved. Private groups are perfect for more intimate communities, like family groups, small friend circles, or private interest groups. Make your selection based on the level of privacy you want for your group. Remember, you can change these settings later if needed, but it's a good idea to decide based on the nature of your group from the start. After setting the privacy, it's time to add some people to your group. Facebook will show you a list of your friends, and you can select anyone you'd like to invite to the group by tapping on their names. You don't have to add everyone right away. You can always invite more members later. Just select the key people you want to get started with and hit invite. Once you've invited them, Facebook will send them notifications and they can start joining and participating in your group. Now that your group has a name, privacy settings, and a few members, it's time to make it visually appealing by adding a cover photo. Your cover photo is the large image that appears at the top of your group's page, and it's a great way to set the tone and theme of your group. To add a cover photo, click on Share Group at the top and then click Next in the upper right corner. Here, you'll see an Edit button. Tap on that. This will give you the option to upload a cover photo. Choose a photo that represents your group well. For example, if you're creating a cooking group, you might want to upload a beautiful image of a dish or kitchen setup. If it's a hiking group, you could add a scenic mountain or forest view. Once you've selected the photo, adjust it to fit within the frame and click Save. This will set your cover image for all your members to see. Now that your group is visually appealing, it's time to let potential members know what your group is all about by writing a brief description. The description will appear on the group's main page and gives new members an idea of the group's purpose and what kind of content they can expect. To add a description, click Next and you'll be prompted to describe your group. This is where you can really explain the focus of your group. Is it a place for daily discussions? Are you planning events or sharing tips? Whatever the goal of your group, let people know in a few clear and engaging sentences. For example, this group is for hiking enthusiasts who love exploring new trails. We'll share tips, organize group hikes, and discuss the best hiking spots in the region. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned hiker, you're welcome to join. Once you're happy with your description, click Next. You're almost done. After setting the group name, privacy, inviting members, adding a cover photo, and writing the description, it's time to officially launch your group. Click Done, and your group will be live. You can now start posting updates, sharing content, and engaging with your members. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.